Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to talk about two terms you might have heard in the world of food, pure veg and Sattvic. Are they the same? Or is there a difference? While both diets emphasize plant-based foods, they stem from distinct philosophies and practices. Let's dive into what sets them apart. Let's start with pure veg. As the name suggests, pure vegetarian food means food that is completely plant-based. No meat, no fish, and no eggs. It's made up of vegetables, fruits, grains, nuts, legumes, and dairy products like milk, curd, and paneer. And pure veg food also means no onion nor garlic to be included in it, but still it's different from Sattvic food. Pure vegetarian food focuses on plant-based ingredients and avoids consuming animals, making it the foundation of many cultures and dietary choices worldwide. Now, let's move on to Sattvic food. Sattvic is a concept from ancient Indian philosophy, particularly from the Ayurvedic tradition. Ayurveda refers three types of food based on their quality, or guna. The word Sattvic is derived from the Sanskrit word sattva, which translates to purity, harmony, and balance. Whereas Rajasic can be pure veg food, but includes heavily processed and rich foods, fried ones, excessive usage of spices and sweet. Here it differs from Sattvic one. A platter including puri, pulao, veg curries, chutney, kheer, sweets, etc. and devoid of onion and garlic, can be called pure veg food but not Sattvic food. And Tamasic food consists of non-veg, stale, pungent, etc. items. Food containing onion and garlic are generally referred as Tamasic. Sattvic food not only avoids animal products, but it also focuses on freshness, wholesomeness, and food that nourishes both the body and the mind. It's known to be light, easy to digest, and full of positive energy. So, what's the difference between pure veg and Sattvic food? Here are the key points. Pure veg. As we discussed earlier, pure veg simply refers to food made entirely from plant sources, including dairy. It doesn't necessarily focus on the quality, freshness, or the energy behind the food. Sattvic food, on the other hand, isn't just about being vegetarian. It emphasizes the quality of food, fresh, seasonal, organic, and non-processed. It avoids foods that are considered tamasic, heavy, stale, or overly processed, or rajasic, spicy, or stimulating. Now, let's look at some characteristics of Sattvic food practices. Freshness. Sattvic food is best when it's fresh. Avoiding leftovers and focusing on freshly prepared meals helps maintain the purity of energy in the food. Natural ingredients. Only fresh, whole foods that are minimally processed or mostly taken in raw form. Simple and light. Sattvic dishes are usually light, simple, and easy to digest. Like steamed vegetables, simple dal, lentils, khichdi, fruits, and herbal teas, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and dairy products like milk and ghee. Digestibility. Foods that are easy to digest and promote energy without heaviness. Positive energy. Foods prepared with a peaceful mindset, enhancing the overall well-being of the consumer. Sattvic meals typically exclude meat and fish, eggs, strong spices like garlic and onion, fermented foods, non-violence. Sattvic food also follows the principle of ahimsa, non-violence. So, Sattvic food avoids ingredients that are harmful to the environment or living beings, such as overly processed foods or artificial additives. Avoiding stimulants. Spices like garlic, onion, and certain strong-tasting or overly stimulating foods are avoided in Sattvic cooking, as they are believed to disrupt mental clarity and balance. Segment 5. Benefits of Sattvic food. So, what are the benefits of following a Sattvic diet? A Sattvic diet promotes a sense of peace and tranquility, aids in digestion, boosts energy levels, and helps maintain mental clarity. It aligns the body with natural rhythms and is believed to promote spiritual growth and overall well-being. There are several common misconceptions about Sattvic diets that can lead to misunderstandings about their principles and practices. Here are some of the most notable myths. Common misconceptions about Sattvic diet. Sattvic diet is highly restrictive. Many believe that a Sattvic diet offers limited food choices due to its exclusion of meat, fish, eggs, and certain processed foods. However, Sattvic diets actually include a wide variety of fresh fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and dairy products. The focus is on purity and quality rather than restriction. Sattvic diet is only for spiritual seekers. A prevalent myth is that the Sattvic diet is exclusively for yogis or those deeply involved in spiritual practices. In reality, anyone can adopt a Sattvic diet to enhance their physical health and mental clarity, regardless of their spiritual beliefs. Sattvic food is expensive. Some people think that maintaining a Sattvic diet requires expensive organic ingredients. While high-quality ingredients can be costly, many Sattvic foods are affordable and accessible, such as seasonal fruits and vegetables. Vegetarian diets are always Sattvic. It's a misconception that all vegetarian diets align with Sattvic principles. While Sattvic diets are vegetarian, not all vegetarian foods meet the Sattvic criteria. For example, processed foods like white flour and sugar can be vegetarian but are not considered Sattvic due to their negative health impacts. Sattvic food always makes you hungry. Another myth suggests that Sattvic food leads to increased hunger or cravings. In fact, the high fiber content in many Sattvic foods can help maintain satiety and stabilize glucose levels, reducing cravings. To sum it up, while pure veg food is all about plant-based eating, Sattvic food goes a step further by focusing on purity, quality, and the energy that food provides to both body and mind. Both approaches can lead to healthier eating, but Sattvic is a more holistic and mindful way of nourishing yourself. In a nutshell, while all Sattvic food is pure vegetarian, not all pure veg food is Sattvic. I hope this clears up the difference between pure veg and Sattvic food. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on healthy eating. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried Sattvic food and how it made you feel.